I have Samsung Galaxy A7 2018 and let me show you how to perform wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose here power off and touch power off again just to confirm the operation. Then let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys. Keep holding power key and volume up for a couple of seconds. Release both keys as soon as Samsung Galaxy A7 logo pops up. And as you can see, this is Android recovery system. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down here to choose wipe cache partition and press power button to confirm it. Then scroll down again to choose yes and press power key to confirm it again. So that's it, the Android recovery system pops up. So here let's press power key to reboot system now. Wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use your device. That's it, the home screen pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.